Hello students, in this video we will discuss about equation of parabola. How to find the standard equation of parabola. Since if this is the coordinate system x, x dash and y, y dash. Suppose this is a parabola whose vertex, this is the vertex and this vertex lie on the origin. If this is the focus S and this is the directrix, according to definition of the parabola, if we take any point on this parabola, suppose P, then distance between P to S and P to M point lie on this directrix. This is directrix. According to definition, PS equal to PM. According to definition, PS equal to PM, where PM is the perpendicular distance of P from this directrix means line. If the coordinate of focus a comma 0, where a is the distance of this focus point from origin, that means this distance is the a, and since this distance lie on the x-axis, so y coordinate will be 0. Then then PS equal to PM, where distance of this directrix from the origin is equal to distance of focus from this origin. That means A to suppose this is the N, A to N will be minus A because this is in the negative direction. Therefore, equation of this directrix will be x equal to minus A or x plus A equal to 0. This is the equation of directrix and this is the coordinate of focus. Now, according to definition, PS equal to PM, PS is the distance between P and S. If suppose coordinate of this P will be x1 comma y1, we consider, then distance between P and S will be root under x1 minus a whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square equal to PM. PM is nothing but this is the distance from P from this line. Since equation of this line is x plus a, so PM will be x1 plus a whole upon root under 1 square. Now, for removing the square root, we take the square of on both sides. Then this will be x1 minus a whole square plus y1 square equal to x1 plus a whole square. This will be x1 square plus a square minus 2a x1 plus y1 square equal to x1 square plus a square plus 2a x1. Since x1 square and a square will be cancelled by the x1 square and a square, if we transfer minus 2a x1 on the right side, so this will be y1 square equal to 2a x1 plus 2a x1. This will be equal to 4a x1 and this will be equal to y1 square. Therefore, locus of point P will be y equal to 4ax, and this is the standard form of parabola. Now in the next video, we will discuss about how many type of standard form of parabola and 3 type of figures we can obtain.